The Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, is insisting that governance changes announced following a FIFA audit weren't ordered by football's governing body. Now, according to JFF President Michael Ricketts, the local association was of the view that there should be constitutional amendments.
There were a number of persons who were asking from corporate Jamaica and from different sporting areas and arenas for us to look at it. We thought that the constitution of our different committees needed to be looked at. So, and I thought that there was some credence to the concerns, because the truth is that 13 persons, really, there are a number of other stakeholders who ought to have a say. And it was based on those that we wrote to FIFA on March 9, 2018 and CONCACAF and asked for some help.
Based on discussions with the chairman of the JFF Finance Committee, the Federation is in a healthy financial standing.
I had a discussion with him a few weeks ago, and he told me that it's not as bad as people would want to make it appear, that he's prepared to work with the JFF and to see how best and how quickly we can address. It's not half as bad as people make it out to be. People are saying what happened to Trinidad is going to happen to us. That's not true. That's far-fetched. Nothing of the sort. So we just want to stay focused and to ensure that it's the best practices from here on.
Meanwhile, the JFF has heaped praise on the coaches and players after the Reggae Girls achieved the biggest jump on the FIFA World Rankings last Friday. The girls sit in a historic 50th position in the rankings. Karen Madden reports.
Following their historic World Cup appearance last summer, the national senior women's team suffered a hiccup when they failed to advance to the 2020 Olympic Games, which has since been postponed to next summer due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But that setback did not stop the Reggae Girls from advancing to the top 50 teams in the world. JFF President Michael Ricketts was full of praise for the Caribbean's #1 women's team.
We're just delighted at the stride that the girls would have made over the last maybe 2.5 years. At the end of 2017, when this administration got into office, the girls were ranked 119th. And in 2.5 years, we have managed to have moved that rank.
Meanwhile, Ricketts says the matter of outstanding salaries has been settled.
Well, I think last week or the week before, we got pay balance from FIFA, so they have been paid. Girls have been paid up in full. And I would think certainly by now, all the staff members would have been paid. I know we started the process last week, but I would want to think that by now, everybody would have been paid.
But our checks, however, revealed that former coaches Hugh Menzies and Lon Donaldson are still owed World Cup bonuses. When we contacted JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint, he confirmed that the coaches will be paid the outstanding bonuses by the end of this week. And with the coronavirus pandemic shutting down the sports world, Ricketts says the JFF has scheduled a meeting for Tuesday to plot the way going forward.
Because as we speak, there is so much uncertainty, because nobody, probably only the Almighty, knows when you're really going to have a handle on this coronavirus. But we will be putting contingency plans in place.
The Reggae Girls remain the #1 team in the Caribbean, ahead of Haiti, Trinidad and Tobago and Cuba, and are 5th in CONCACAF behind the United States, Canada, Mexico and Costa Rica. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.